The UK sole representative visa is now closed down. Is this an end for foreign businesses looking to enter the UK? Let's find out. On 11th April 2022, the Home Office closed sole representative visa. So what are the other options available for foreign business owners to expand to the UK? Smart Move to UK has the answer for it. Number 1. Innovator visa. As we all know, the sole representative visa was a zero investment route. However, the Innovator visa requires you to have £50,000 in funds to invest in the business plan. Also, the business plan needs to be innovative, viable and scalable. And this route is pathway to citizenship. That means you and your family can avail a British passport. Number 2. Startup visa. Startup visa is very similar to the Innovator visa, where the business plan has to be innovative, viable and scalable in nature. This is also a zero investments route. But you cannot get a British passport on a startup visa in the UK. Number 3. UK Expansion Worker Visa. This is the latest visa introduced by the Home Office, and on this route you can set up a branch in the UK, live and study in the UK and also bring your family to the UK. Make the smart move and take your business global. Apply for a UK business visa with our solicitor. To know how you can set up a business in the UK, connect with us. To book a consultation, call us or email us.